So given y is equal to square root of x times square root of x times square root of x, all of the square roots are under the bigger square root. So to solve something like this, you must come up with an idea of indices. So you apply your indices on this problem before you can be able to take the derivative. So you have to spend a little time working on this right hand side. This shows that we have to say y is equal to the derivative of this part starts by first simplifying it. So to simplify this part, we say this is square root of x times square root of x, but this square root of x here is the same thing as x raised to the power of 1 all over 2. So this implies that we have to start unfolding the square root from behind. So this gives us this. Now, but these guys now are now multiplying each other, which shows that we have x times x raised to the power of half. And this requires the law of indices. So applying indices, this one has power 1, and the multiplication rule of indices is when you are multiplying the same base, pick one of the base, then add the power. So this gives us 1 plus 1 all over 2. So this gives us x raised to the power of 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1 all over 2. And this gives us x raised to the power of 3 all over 2. So this is the result we get. So we replace the value here with this value. So this gives us y is equal to x square root of x raised to the power of 3 all over 2. Now again, this is another square root, so we still have to unfold it by saying this is square root of x, and then this square root is the same thing as saying x raised to the power of 3 over 2. Now the square root now is power half again. So applying this law of indices, I say a raised to the power of m raised to the power of n is equal to am times n. This implies that these powers here will multiply themselves. So this gives us y is equal to square root of x. Then this 3 times 1 is 3. So we have x raised to the power of 3. Then over 2 times 2 is 4. Now these are two functions again multiplying themselves. So this implies that we have square root of, now the same base, we pick one of the base, then we add the power. So 3 over 4 plus 1, because the power of this x here is 1. This now gives us square root of x raised to the power of, now 4 times 1 is, now 4 times 1 is 4, and then plus 3, which is 7 all over 4. And then we unfold the last square root, which gives us x raised to the power of 7 all over 4. Then raised to the power of the square root, which is 1 all over 2. And this gives us 7 times 1 is 7, then 4 times 2 is 8. And then the derivative of this shows that, this implies that the derivative now is dy all over the x is equal to, by power rule, we get 7 all over 8, then x raised to the power of, now this is power rule. So we remove 1 from the power here, and this will give us, if we remove 1, this is 8 times 1 is 8, then 7 minus 8 is equal to minus 1. So this gives us minus 1 all over 8, and this is our solution.